Right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a PDF file in Canva. So I had this document I was working on in Canva, eco-friendly water bottle. I'm going to just open up this Word document. I'm going to show you just how we can save this Word document as a PDF file, okay? So it's really, really easy and simple. Let this load up first. I'm going to show you just how we can do this, guys. Okay, it has now loaded up. Now what we want to do, guys, is actually let it load up fully so I can show you just how we can do this. All right. Now that it's loaded up, what you're going to do is click on here, share. Let me show you the Word document first, okay? Here it is. So I can edit this if I want, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you how to do that as a PDF. So you come click on share, come click on download, okay? Now here, there are many file types you can download as. You could have chosen a document, but I'm going to choose a PDF standard, size A4, and you can save download settings if you want, but you just come and click on download, and it will start downloading as a PDF right away. It's going to show up right here. Okay, it says that the download has started. So let's wait for it to download. And I'm going to open up this PDF for you just to show you that it actually works. Okay, it has done a downloading. I'm going to open up this in a new tab right here. Okay, let it actually finish this bar. Once this bar has ended loading, I will actually open this document in a new tab and show you. All right, just hold up just for one moment. Okay, let's try this again. Still not done yet. Okay, I think it's still processing the file and adding it to our PC. So we're just gonna wait it out, and okay, there we go, guys. Now I can open this up in a new tab, and let's see the Word document into a PDF. So now this is a PDF. It's loading up. Eco-friendly water bottle .pdf. All right, guys, it has now saved as a PDF. This is perfect. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys, to save a PDF file in Canva. So hopefully, you guys, if this video helped, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll help you out in the comments below. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so